In order to record audio in Audacity, you would go to your Start screen, find Audacity in your menu, click on that. When this screen comes up, you would hit OK. You could also hit Don't Show This Again at Startup. In order to record, you're going to hit the red record button, and you will see that your microphone is working by the images on the screen recording and showing that your voice is indeed recording. When you finish recording, you will hit the yellow square button, and it has stopped recording. The next thing that you're going to want to do is to save your file. To save your file, you're going to go up to File, and you're actually going to go to Export. You will click on Export, and there's several things that you need to do. There will be a drop-down menu, and in that drop-down menu, you are going to want to pick MP3 file. You are going to save your file name. If you are taking an AP test, for example, there are specific instructions. It may be a student number, it may be a test name, but you need to find out what that is. Finally, you're going to want to go up to the top to save it where you could save it. My suggestion would be, if you are a student here saving it for a project, to save it in your H drive. However, if it's just something that you're going to need to save or email in some other way, save it to your desktop. That way it will be easy to find. So if we create a test Audacity file, we are saving it as an MP3 file. This is our file name, and I am saving it to my desktop. At that point, all I need to do is to hit the Save button. Okay, this screen comes up. It's not necessary that you add any information, and then you just hit OK, and it will save your file. The longer the file, the longer it will take to save it. As a final step to make sure you have done it correctly, you should see your MP3 file on your desktop if that is where you saved it. So I'm going to click on that file, make sure that I can open it, and make sure that I can hear that file as I want to. Once you hit record, you can see when it picks up as okay, so I know that my file has saved. I know it's on the desktop, and at this point I can attach it to an email or to a website, or can save it on a flash drive, whatever I need to do to suit the purposes that I have for that file.